Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Now, I thought I'd just jump on here, no fancy editing, raw trading advice, okay? If you are watching this video, I promise you, this is going to change your trading forever. If you're new, if you're not profitable, if you're struggling, okay? This is what you need to get over that barrier. Now, this video is going to be about 6-7 minutes long. I say this in every video. If you can't get to the end, you don't have the patience for trading. And I'm going to tell you, this is going to change your trading. So watch this to the end, okay? So I'm going to jump into these points I've got on the screen here. These 6 points. This is from Douglas Trading in the Zone. And these points, if you do implement them, or even if you read that book, it's going to change your trading forever. Now, let's get into it. Number one, the myth of market prediction, okay? If you are trying to predict every single move in the market, okay, 100%, you're on hurdle one, my friend, and you are just going to cause yourself pain. You cannot be 100% right. Impossible. No one can. These markets are technically random. At any point you enter, you do not know that it's going to go to this area 100% of the time. Okay, so stop trying to predict a market. Stop trying to find strategies all the time to get, to say this is the only strategy that works. Now that's a big problem that I went through. I've been trading for 7 years. I went through hell for 6 years because I kept jumping and trying to find the best strategy. Now you need to just jump on a chart like this and find what works for you. It could be ICT, it could be liquidity, it could be MAs, it could be support and resistance. It does not matter. Okay, I promise you, it doesn't matter. Okay, so if you're trying to predict every move and you're getting annoyed that you're not predicting every move, this is something you need to overcome and shift your perception, shift your belief that it's random. The market's random. You're not going to predict it. Okay. Now, with that said, that is random. This is my point number 2 now. It has to go into probabilities. Okay. So you're going to win a percentage of the time. Okay. At any point, you could, I don't know, some days, some weeks, you could win 80% of the time, a little bit lower, as long as you have an edge that over a long span, you're winning. Okay. You might lose for like 4 days in a row. And then the next day you win 2 and now you're up. Like that's what's trading is. You need to think in probabilities. You need to think, okay, I have my A star setup, I have my A, I have my B, C, and you need to look at these markets and think, okay, today's Monday, Mondays are a bit weird. We trade for me or for you, yours could be Tuesday. Today we might have news, don't really like news, and I see a B setup. I'm not going to enter. Okay, most likely this is like in my mind 20-30% likelihood it's going to win. So what's the point of me entering? Get away from the chart. Okay, we might have a day where you see an A star setup, easy day, boom, enter, don't even think about it, and it could be 80% you're going to win this trade. And let's say you enter that trade and it goes to your stop. That's fine. This is part of your trading plan. You're going to do that again and again, and then you'll be up overall. Think in probabilities. Okay, this is something that took me a while and to grasp. Okay, now psychological barriers that destroy traders. Number 3 is your beliefs. Now, one of my biggest beliefs over 6 years of losing every day. Okay, this is what made me lose every day, was I had to be right. Because thing. You could say I feel like I want to be a perfectionist in life. This is why trading was so hard for me. And every time I lost a trade, which is very normal, I thought in my mind that, fuck's sake, I'm not good enough, or this is wrong, this trading plan's wrong. And my thoughts and beliefs weren't matching up to the charts, causing pain in my head. That pain in my head was now taking me out of the zone of a trader, being emotionless and messing it up for me. Okay. Now, I think the word for that is cognitive dissonance. If you don't know what it is, look up a little bit more. It's something that goes on in trading quite a bit, that your thoughts and beliefs are not matching up to the chart, causing pain, and then doing something like getting out of a position when you don't, it's not part of your plan. So that was my problem that I had. And there's so many different psychological barriers. You need to understand your problem, because it's an individual game. This is why trading is so hard, because it's not one. I could give you my exact trading plan, but you're still going to have these barriers of getting out early, or having these things that just mess up your trading. So understand yours, do the journaling, and improve your trading. So number 4, importance of a trading plan. Like I said, there is no one plan that fits all. If you do not have a trading plan, like the A stars, the B setup, or whatever, you're just gambling, and you're not doing it properly. You're not going to become profitable no matter what. Okay, you need a plan that over a period of time you're going to win. Okay, you need an edge. Okay, it doesn't matter what this edge is. You need to get on these charts for a couple of months and understand what you see. That's high probability. That's okay. I see this going here a lot. I'm going to enter. I see this going here. I'm going to enter. Once that happens, you will, your trading is just going to be so easy. Okay, because you're just going to look at the charts and be like, oh, this is so noticeable. I'm going to enter now. And you're not going to care, because you know over time that your plan wins. And that's why traders who are profitable say it is so easy to trade. Okay, you might be looking like, oh, I wish I could be there right now. That point where trading's easy, and you can, okay. You just need to allow yourself to not care. Just click a trade, okay, for the exact same thing every day for 1 week. Click it, boom, okay, lose, win, and overall you're going to be up. Okay, so number 5, self-sabotage. And I guess this is number 6 as well, that if you don't understand the psychology and you don't believe psychology, isn't it? And you're just one of those people that thinks, okay, this thing is what I need, this is trading, or this is trading, and these concepts work, nothing else. You are going to have unnecessary mental pain that's going to make trading feel like one of the most hardest things. Okay, it's going to feel like rocket science when it isn't rocket science. So with that said, I would 100%, if you're not, focus all your energy on psychology now. If you haven't got the 20%, which is just a trading plan, and you're very new, for a few months, I want you to look at these charts and just find something that sticks out, you see all the time. As soon as you do that, it's all psychology and how you enter that plan. Okay, when you go to the casino and you play blackjack, the house, okay, is now playing, example, the market, and their rules, they are 51% probability they're going to win blackjack. Okay, you might go in there and take, I don't know, 50k from them. Okay, might rinse them that night, have a great night. They don't care. Okay, because they know over time, over a month or whatever, they're going to make that 50k back. Okay, this is their plan. You're playing their game, exactly like trading. You are the house. Okay, and the market's playing your game. Okay, let's say one example quickly before I end this video. If you're playing blackjack, okay, imagine you're playing blackjack and you're winning, you've just won 50k and you continue to play. Okay, imagine if the house or the casino or whatever change their rules mid-game. Okay, that would be stupid. Okay, that's like you mid-trade changing your rules or closing a trade, getting out when you're not meant to. Okay, now you're not following the system that's going to make you 51%, like a casino example, profitable over time. Look at it that way. I hope that opens up your mind a little bit on what trading actually is. And yeah, with that said, if you've got any questions at all, leave them below. This channel is doing the side of trading that no one speaks about. Okay, everyone wants the best tools or whatever, but once you shift to psychology and you put 80% of your effort into it, trading, you are gonna see results. Okay, so with that said, give it a like, give it a comment, all that stuff, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.